The worst part wasn't the lie itself. It was the moment after. The realization. The split second when you understood they looked you directly in the eye and chose deception. They chose to build a false reality and invite you inside. A lie isn't just a simple untruth. It's a deliberate act of manipulation. It's an attempt to rewrite your world, to bend your perception to their will, all while you offered them your trust. So you start to replay the conversation, over and over. You hear their voice, the confidence in their tone, the way they swore on everything they held dear, the way they reassured you, patting your hand, telling you everything was fine, and you remember how they made you doubt the very ground beneath your feet. That's what hurts the most, isn't it? They took your own intuition and turned it against you. You felt it. Deep down, a quiet alarm was ringing, telling you something was wrong. But when you brought it up, what did they say? You were just overthinking. You were being paranoid. You were crazy. Too sensitive. No, you were not any of those things. You were perceptive. Your intuition was working perfectly. It was trying to protect you. What they did was theft. A lie steals more than just the truth. It steals your clarity, leaving you in a fog of confusion. It steals your sense of stability, making you question everything you thought was solid. And most painfully, it steals your trust not just in them, but in your ability to trust others, and even yourself. But let's look at this through a different lens. Here is a fundamental Stoic truth. A liar reveals their own weakness, not your foolishness. You were deceived not because you are gullible, but because you are honest. You trusted them because you operate from a place of truth. They lied because they operate from a place of fear and deception. These are two fundamentally different characters. Do not ever confuse your capacity for honesty with their capacity for deceit. Now, the anger comes. It rises, like a tide. The humiliation washes over you. The sharp sting of betrayal, not just by them, but by your own judgment. You keep asking yourself, how could I have been so blind? How could I have believed them? Stop! You believed them because trust is the default setting for a good person. Deception is a conscious, calculated choice. You were operating in good faith. They were operating in fear, or selfishness, or a profound insecurity that made the truth too terrifying to speak. Their lie is a mirror reflecting their own broken character. It is not a reflection of you. So, what do you do now? How do you move forward from this? First, and most importantly, you must reclaim your intuition. Do not let this experience silence that inner voice. In the future, when that feeling arises, that subtle sense that something is off, don't dismiss it. Investigate it, calmly, rationally, but do not ignore it. It is your most valuable guide. Second, you must stop arguing with the past. The conversation is over. The lie has been told. You cannot go back in time and undo it. Replaying it in your mind 1,000 times won't change the outcome. It only deepens the wound. What you can do is refuse to internalize their poison. The lie belongs to them. Leave it with them. Third, use this as an opportunity to strengthen your standards. From this day forward, make honesty a non-negotiable requirement in your life. For your friends, your partners, and for yourself. No more excuses. No more second chances for casual deception. A boundary, once crossed, must have consequences. This isn't about being rigid. It's about, fourth, detach from the need for an explanation or an apology. You might crave a confession, a reason, a moment of remorse from them. You may never get it. Some people lie because telling the truth requires a level of courage and integrity they simply do not possess. You cannot force someone to be brave. You cannot shame them into having character. You can only demand honesty. And if it is not given, you must be prepared to walk away. True strength is found in the stillness you can cultivate inside the chaos of life's impermanence. The lie did not break you. It exposed them. And in that exposure, you were given a powerful gift: clarity. Let this moment not be a source of shame, but a tool for refinement. Let it sharpen your wisdom, fortify your boundaries, and deepen the trust you have in the one person who will always be with you, yourself. The lie has ended. Your growth has just begun.